Hi, welcome to my presentation everyone. So let's start looking at my visual manifesto. So here what I try to create is a vision through a COVID mask into our future where it's sustainable. I've chosen two images from our recent past, which is COVID-19 as well as Spanish flu, which is in our very recent history. With this I came up with the research topic, "Can COVID-19 encourage the world towards a better sustainable future?" So this is my abstract. The aim of the essay is to understand how COVID-19 can encourage us to focus on sustainability of the future and relationship we have with built environment that combines dwelling and workplaces to achieve a sustainable future. So the reason I emphasized on dwelling and workplaces is because there are two different types of buildings. Dwelling, which is a place of residence, and a workplace where people go to work. So in life in 21st century, we have designed our life to be around that, so which was not sustainable. And COVID-19 challenged it, and also government guidelines, and to deal with safety measures, we had to do this. So in this essay, I will be aiming to discuss how and why we need to change, and what are the contributing factors that led us to this point. Can we look into our history of pandemics that threatened our survival in order to beat COVID-19 and ultimately achieve a sustainable future? So this is one of the articles I've been reading. The COVID-19 lockdowns, a window into our Earth system, explaining how the lockdowns had an effect on our Earth, the atmosphere, and so showing ultimately how it can have this change can have an impact on our future. And this is another book by F. Hollis, exploring the idea of live, work, home, combining two building types, dwelling and workplaces. And so I've also want to focus on what psychological effects or health benefits there are from a sustainable environment, or bringing nature into our society and our everyday lives. So I've also started doing brainstorming ideas about how I can break my essay down, and I've come up with a list of questions what I will be asking from this essay, or what I will cover in this essay. Why we need to change, how COVID affected us, what can we learn from our past pandemics, change to our daily lives, can we apply this to change for the better, and finally our capabilities to adapt. So by answering all these questions, hopefully I will be able to come to a conclusion where I will have an answer towards a sustainable future. Thank you.